Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping back for another video, or if you guys are new here to my channel for the first time, then hello, welcome. In today's video, I will be doing a home decor haul. I have been wanting to film this for such a long time, and I feel like I've finally gotten enough things to film a haul for you. I have been collecting this stuff for the past few weeks, so this wasn't just one trip to the store. I have been getting things over the last few weeks. I do want to finish up decorating my house and film an updated house tour for you guys, because when I filmed my original furnished house tour, I did not have a lot of stuff up on the wall yet, and I've changed a lot of stuff, moved stuff around, and I'm finally pretty happy with how things are looking. So hopefully I will have an updated house tour for you guys in the next few weeks. And without further ado, if you would like to see what I got, then just go ahead and keep on watching. Alright, so getting this video started, I do have mostly everything home decor, but I did pick up a few clothing items that I wanted to share with you that I am going to include in this haul. So I did go to a few different stores. I went to Tjmaxx, Hobby Lobby, and I got one thing from Michael's, but I will be letting you know where everything is from as we go through. So the first thing that I'm going to show you is probably like the biggest item that I got, and I hope that I can fit this on camera. I got this from Tjmaxx. This was $24.99. So this is what it looks like. It's a big wooden plaque and it says home. I absolutely love this so much. The lettering is in gray, and then it has that really pretty like green wreath that I absolutely love. So this is going to be going in the hallway when you walk in from the garage. Like I said, you guys will be seeing all this stuff once I do an updated house tour. The next thing that I got is also from Tjmaxx. This came in a set of two, so there is two of them. These were $24.99 for two. So this is what it looks like. Like I said, it did come in a pack of two. I will be putting this at the top of the stairs. I'm going to stagger them. I just feel like this goes really well with the colors in my house, and that wall is completely empty. So I needed something that would fill that wall, and I didn't want to get like a bunch of stuff to clutter the wall or anything. So I think this is going to look really nice. I cannot wait to finally have something on that really plain wall. So the next thing that I got from Tjmaxx was $39.99, and this is a quilt. I have been wanting to get a quilt for my bed because it is getting really hot here in Colorado. I feel like this is hands down the hottest summer that we've really ever had since I've been living here. It's 90 degrees practically every day, which I know to some people is not that bad, but to Coloradans, it's pretty bad. So I wanted to pick up a lighter blanket slash comforter, so I wanted to get a quilt so that it would be a little less hot at night. So this is what it looks like. It's from the brand Tahari, and I got the full queen size. I don't know how well you guys are going to be able to see that picture, but it's a really pretty like white and gray design on it. It goes really well with my room. I have already actually put it on my bed just to see if it was going to fit and if it was going to look good, and I really like the way that it looks. So I can't wait to get this washed and put it on my bed. With that, I got the matching shams. These were $19.99. They just look exactly like the quilts. They have the same exact pattern on them. Now we're going to go through the clothing pieces that I got from Tjmaxx really quickly, because I did find some pretty good deals and some cute stuff. So this first thing was $16.99, and it is a really pretty olive green color. It's kind of different than anything that I would usually wear, but it's a long dress. So this is what it looks like. Has this cute little tie detail and some cutouts right here in the front. I just absolutely love the way that this fits. I feel like it's really flattering, and I am super tall, and this goes down pretty far. It's not supposed to go all the way down to the floor, but I really like the way that this looks. I can wear it to work too, but it just buttons all the way down. Like I said, does go down pretty far. It goes down to about my shin area, I would say. So this is going to be great for work. I can definitely get away with wearing this since it is long enough. Next thing that I got is a shirt from American Eagle, but it was at Tjmaxx. This was $4.99, which is such a steal in my opinion. So this is what it looks like. It's from the Soft and Sexy collection that American Eagle has, which is my favorite. I really love the floral pattern on it, and this is going to be great to wear in the summertime. This is a little more on the cropped side. It's not a full length tank top, but it's not going to be like super short or anything. I'm wearing high-waisted shorts. When I tried it on, it didn't show any skin or anything. I did also get another shirt from American Eagle at Tjmaxx, and this was also $4.99. I got this in a size large because that was all that was left, but I really like this. It's in a really pretty like mauve baby pink color, and then it has kind of like the peplum bottom, kind of flares out. I really like this shirt. The back just looks like that, and then it does come down pretty far on the sides. And since I got this in a size large, I will have to wear like a bralette or a bandeau or something, since it does show your bra on the side. And then the last clothing piece that I got from Tjmaxx was $19.99, and I got this to wear to work. It is a jumpsuit, and I feel like you can wear this to a dressier party as well. But I thought this would be cute to wear to work too, to look kind of like sophisticated one of the days. So this is what it looks like. It's just black. It's gonna be kind of hard for you guys to see this, but it has kind of like a crisscross detail here in the front. And then it does have a little tie, as you can see, where you can cinch it in around your waist, and then it just goes down to the jumpsuit part where your legs go. The thing that I like about this jumpsuit is that the leg and thigh part is fitted. So it's really hard for me to find jumpsuits and rompers that actually look good on me, because I am super tall and my legs are skinny, so sometimes it looks a little weird, but this fits so good, and I feel like you can wear this to like a really fancy event, or you could wear it more casually like I'm going to wear to work. So that is all that I got from Tjmaxx. I did get one thing at Michael's, and I got this. I did get a couple other things, but it wasn't home decor related, but I will leave my vlog linked down below if that is up. I don't know which video will go up yet, but I did vlog yesterday while I went home decor shopping, so make sure to check out that vlog. But this is what I got from Michael's. This was only $5. It's just an M. I'm going to put this on my little office area over there. It has like the map on it, which I thought was super cute. It had my favorite color, this mint blue color on it. So I decided to pick it up. I thought this would be a cute detail to put on my desk. So next up, I went to Hobby Lobby. They were having a bunch of their stuff for 50% off. So everything that I got was 50% off, so this was $10, and this is what it looks like. I don't know where I'm gonna put this, but I could not pass this up. He is so cute. If you guys didn't know, I love llamas so much. Has a cute little flower crown on, and I liked how like skinny and long this was. I feel like this would look really cute on a smaller wall, so I decided to pick this up, and for $10, I couldn't pass it up. The next thing that I got from Hobby Lobby is this wreath. This was also half off, so this was $20. It is kind of more on the expensive side. It was originally $40, but I really want to put this on my front door, and I needed to get a wreath that wasn't going to scratch my front door. A lot of wreaths have like the little twigs on them, and it totally ripped up my front door. I had to have the painters come back and paint my door because it was taking the paint off. So this one is actually like all felt, so I don't think that this will take the paint off, hopefully. So this is what it looks like. It's just a green wreath. I did get a pretty similar one that is downstairs right now that I got from Marshall's yesterday that I put on my little window pane to kind of complete that area. So I'm hoping that this does not scratch my front door. I don't think it will, but I'm also hoping that this doesn't fly off, because the way that my front door faces, it gets a lot of wind, so we shall see. I'm just hoping that it does not take the paint off like my other wreaths. And then the last thing that I got is this galvanized little floral plant hanger. And I've been looking for these all over, you guys. I was going to order them online because that's the only place that I could find them, but I feel like they're becoming more and more popular. This was also 50% off. I did get 2 of these, and these were only $7. So this is what it looks like. I'm actually going to be putting this in my living room. I'm taking away my other little succulent holders that I got from Target, and I will be putting them next to that first plaque that I showed you. You guys will see how everything looks on my house tour, so make sure you're subscribed if you want to see. But I will be putting this next to my little like window pane that I have in my living room area, and I'll be putting a bunch of greenery in it. I just think this is going to look so good. I'm so excited to see how it looks. So I actually forgot, I got 2 more things from Tjmaxx. I got these really cute bag ties. I've never seen anything like them before. If you guys didn't know, I love pandas. These were only $2.99, so this is what they look like. They're little pandas and it looks like their tongue is coming out, but they are little bag ties. You can even put them around like cords or napkins. You can use them for a ton of stuff. They're like little zip ties pretty much. So I decided to get these. I feel like I could use them for a lot of things. And then the last thing that I got from Tjmaxx is this really cute marble pencil holder. I am going to be using this for makeup brushes, and actually that is totally how they advertised it. So it is a makeup brush holder. This was $9.99 and I will be putting this in my master bathroom downstairs. I do keep a bunch of my brushes on my little vanity area, so this will be nice to kind of organize my makeup brushes by face brushes, eyeshadow brushes, etc. So I thought this was cute, and it's marble, which is my favorite. So that is it that I got in this haul video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel down below. If you guys do like my home decor videos, make sure to let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, stay marvelous.